if we substitute 0 for x, that also going to be equal to 0 over 0. So what we have to do is we have to rationalize this expression. So we multiply 1 plus square root x plus 1, 1 plus square root x plus 1, right? Then this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 0, x times 1 plus square root of x plus 1, 1 minus x plus 1, right? This is equal to limit as x approaches 0, denominator is equal to negative x, numerator x times 1 plus square root of x plus 1, right? Now cancel the factor x and substitute 0 for x. So that is equal to, we have a negative 1 in denominator, numerator 1 plus square root 0 plus 1. So 2 over negative 1 is equal to negative 2.